Hi there, you are welcome. Now, let's look at a few tips and tricks to help your presentation run a bit smoother. 1. Create a dedicated recording account. Try to use simple, solid background for your desktop. You could have a glass of water handy. Try to use notes and bullet points, which you can view on a separate laptop, a second monitor, or even go the old school with post-its or paper. Try to always check your settings before every recording. Don't just assume they are the same as you left them. And mistakes do happen. And when any of these mistakes happen, wait for like 3 to 5 seconds. Then begin again from a clean starting point. When you go to edit, it will be easy to identify problem areas. If you flop a line, immediately let go of your mouse. Rethink what you want to say, then give it another shot. It will be easier to edit out your mistake if you haven't moved your mouse all over the screen. Break your presentation into sections. Work on one section or concept at a time. Always, always use the pause button between sections. No one is going to know what happens during the pause, and Camtasia will reset your cursor as you begin recording again. These are some of the recording tips which I can give you for now. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.